So today we will be building the EPP 20 amp 1P-2023 125 volt. Alright, the tools we will be using is an impact drill with a Phillips head bit, wire strippers, and cable strippers. Alright, so we'll start off with a 1 foot piece of 12-3. Strip back between 3/4 of an inch and an inch. Be careful not to strip any of, not to nick any of the wiring. Same thing on the other side. Twist all your wires together so none of them fray out. Black wire, we're going to the gold screw. White wire into the silver screw. And your ground wire goes into the green screw. Make sure it's nice and tight. Again, there'll be a notch on each one. Make sure you're lined in properly. For your 12-3, you'll pull out the little insert, but you don't grip the wire too much. One thing to always be careful for on these 2023s, they come in two options. There's 2023-1, which is your 125 volt, and there's 2023-2, which is your 250 volt. So always double check to make sure you've got the right one. Green onto your ground. Black into your gold. And white into your silver. On these covers here with the 12-3, it's best to do a little bit on each side at a time. That way you don't strip the screws out. Same thing up here, just a little bit on each side. Fold it up, there's a little tail here. Just push all that inside. Just kind of spin it around, make sure none of it pops back out.